Hey guys, welcome back to Reclassify. Today I'm here with Conor from Dockware. We're at Manifest in Las Vegas. How's it going, Conor?
Having a great day so far.
So one of the things I really want to talk to you about, because your company's out here solving it, is the common problems with dimensioning freight.
Bet you think it's easy, but it's not.
Yeah, so what are some of the common problems you're seeing when shippers try to dimension their own freight?
You bet. Let's talk specifically in kind of an LTL context, but I think this applies to most shippers. So most of the time, you have a guy out there with a digital tape measure who's quite literally dimensioning it the same way we would have done so 60 years ago. Maybe if you're big enough, you have a Cubiscan or you have some kind of stationary dimensioner. So you're out there on the dock, you want to do it. You have to take that physical shipment, bring it all the way back to a ceiling mounted or a wall mounted dimensioner. Most of the time you have to clear the whole area. So think, 100 to 300 square feet, clear it, let this Cubiscan or this kind of LiDAR based dimensioner do its thing, and then get all the way back into your work plan. We're talking 5-6 minute delay. And honestly, what ends up happening if you're talking to people off screen is they say, we don't really do that. We just kind of make it up because no one actually wants to go do it.
Right, and then there's real consequences, right? Like it affects your freight classifications, rates that you're getting, your ability to negotiate contracts.
Let me give you a bunch. I mean, think about all the shippers who are on freight all kinds contracts when they would want to be on an actual class contract, but they can't because it's too much of a pain in the ass to dimension all the particular shipments they're using. Or you basically guess or you eyeball the dimensions, and then your contract carrier re-invoices you 30 days later because the dimensions are off. I mean, it's high friction for something that should be able to.
Yeah, so what are some tips and tricks you have for ways to be more accurate in your dimension?
Sure thing. So listen, so we're Dockware, and the problem that we want to solve is that we want to do all of this in the wild, and we don't want you to worry about it at all. So on the carrier side, for example, we have a computer vision product that will dimension, quote, in the wild, which means you don't have to take it anywhere, you don't need to take it down, don't do anything, go about your business. We will segment it using computer vision. We will pull the dimensions off it and upload them to the cloud. Your drivers have no idea it's even happening. On the shipper side, we have an iOS app, handheld, point and shoot. You can dimension your palletized cargo, upload it right to your warehouse management system, whatever else you're doing. You're done in, let's say, 5 or 6 seconds.
Yeah. Cool. So how does this differ from the traditional Cubiscans or, dimensioning tools of the past?
The big difference is this, what I'm calling it in the wild, but what I mean by that is you're not tethered to a location. So here we are, imagine this is a massive warehouse, I'm working on something here. The static dimensioners have to be somewhere, right? In a cleared area. I would have to take this right here and move it over there and then move it down. That's what we're trying to eliminate. So if you're a shipper, you use our app, you just do it right here. Dimensions are uploaded to the cloud, along with the purchase order number of that shipment, and you're done, right? So the biggest difference here is it happens right away, and it happens wherever you are, not wherever the Cubiscan or the dimension is.
Yeah, that's really awesome, and I'm sure it's going to save a lot of time, save a lot of money, and make things overall more efficient. What is a warehouse about if it's not efficient?
It's not efficiency. Right? And listen, for us, dimensioning is just the base layer of building kind of a whole digital twin for your ship, right? So once you have the dimensions, well, then you need to have all of the kind of identity things, right? You need to know, what the barcode is, what the pro number is, right? Then you need to know what physical condition it's in, right? Is it damaged? Is it not? You have other layers you can imagine, custody, legal, right? So we're starting with dimensions. It's the base. It's kind of the floor. We'll go from there, and with help.
So, Conor, where can the viewers find you?
Find us on dockware.ai. You can sign up. We'll get you into a beta version of our app. Can't wait for feedback. If you're a carrier or a larger shipper, use that same website. Get in touch with me on LinkedIn, whatever you need. I would love to talk about more custom solutions.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking some time to speak with us today. I know there's a whole lot going on with the convention, and enjoy the rest of Manifest.
I appreciate you, Bill. Thanks a lot.